Do you want to make your photos look like they were shot in the same place? I will show you a Photoshop trick that will match colors perfectly in under a minute. Step 1. Go to File, Open. Open your images in Photoshop. Step 2. With the portrait layer selected, go to Select, Subject. With the selection, click on that mask button. Super easy, right? Drag the portrait layer onto your background layer, adjust the scales, click on that check mark, but wait, it looks off, right? Let's fix that. Step 3. With the portrait layer selected, go to Image, Adjustment, Match Color. Under Source, pick your background image, select your background layer, and then instant color harmony. Adjust the luminance, color intensity, and fade to get perfect blend. Check out these before and after. What a difference in under a minute. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and drop a comment if you want to see more quick Photoshop tricks.